Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baking flour is probably one of the most important ingredients in baking, and choosing the right one can make or break your recipe. From the light and airy texture of cakes to the chewy perfection of bread, the type of flour you use dramatically impacts the final product. This video will guide you through the wonderful world of flour, exploring different types, their unique properties, and how to select the perfect flour for your baking needs, ensuring you achieve consistently delicious results every time. Number 5. Blue Diamond Almond Flour. It's the perfect gluten-free ingredient for all your baking needs. Made with finely sifted, blanched almonds, it's a high-quality choice for delicious results. It's naturally gluten-free, so you can enjoy delicious treats without worry. This makes it ideal for those with dietary restrictions. It's the perfect addition to your keto or paleo diet. It's naturally delicious and fits seamlessly into many healthy recipes. We use only the finest blanched almonds, finely sifted for a smooth texture in your baking. You'll taste the difference. It's great for all kinds of recipes, from cakes and cookies to savory dishes. Let your imagination run wild and discover its versatility. This package contains 1 3-pound bag of Blue Diamond almond flour, providing you with plenty for all your baking projects. Enjoy. What we like. It's gluten-free and perfect for keto and paleo diets. Its fine texture ensures smooth baking results. If you're following a restrictive diet but don't want to compromise on taste or texture, this is the flour for you. What people say. It's versatile, meaning it can be used in a variety of recipes. It tastes good, it's high quality. It doesn't change the taste of my cakes when mixed with other flours like rice or cassava. It blends well and gives a nice texture without overpowering the flavors. It is finely sifted for my baking needs, cakes, etc., and it bakes well. Number 4. King Arthur Measure for Measure Flour. Introducing a revolutionary flour that's a perfect 1:1 substitute for wheat flour in all your favorite recipes. It simplifies gluten-free baking, making delicious treats a breeze. It's not just gluten-free. It's also enriched with essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamin B. Enjoy delicious baked goods without sacrificing nutrition. This flour is non-GMO project verified, certified gluten-free, and kosher certified, ensuring the highest quality and safety for your baking needs. It comes in a convenient 3-pound resealable bag, keeping it fresh and easy to store. Perfect for frequent bakers and those new to gluten-free cooking. From America's oldest flour company, King Arthur Baking, this flour blend is a testament to our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Enjoy the taste of tradition, reimagined. What we like. It's a versatile, all-purpose gluten-free flour that's a perfect 1:1 swap for wheat flour. It's also fortified with essential nutrients. If you need a reliable and nutritious gluten-free option for all your baking needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This flour is great quality, works very well baking anything. Has great texture and tastes great in cookies, cakes, or whatever you are making. It's an excellent gluten-free flour blend and I see it mentioned in many GF recipes. I never have to add anything extra to it like xanthan gum, and one would never know that it's gluten-free since every baked good I've used it in tastes amazing. It has a great texture, light and airy, and it behaves just like regular flour in most recipes. The taste is neutral, with no weird aftertaste like some gluten-free flours have. My baked goods have a soft, tender crumb, and they rise perfectly every time. Number 3. Viva Naturals Coconut Flour. It's gently milled from the freshest organic coconuts. This unbleached and unrefined flour adds a mildly sweet, rich flavor to all your recipes. It's a grain-free keto flour for sweet or savory dishes. Easily substituted into your favorite bread, cookies, and more. This organic gluten-free flour is low in sodium and fat, but high in fiber. It's perfect for keto, paleo, or any diet. It's a certified vegan, keto, and paleo flour. This makes it incredibly versatile for many different lifestyles. Harvested from fresh, organic coconuts in the Philippines, it's finely sifted and of the highest quality. Plus, it's USDA organic, non-GMO, and kosher certified. What we like. It's an organic coconut flour that's great for keto and paleo baking. It's also a good source of fiber. If you are looking for a healthy and delicious way to bake gluten-free goods, this is a great option. What people say. It is a good flour by itself, however in concert with a couple of other items, it makes wonderful cakes, breads and muffins. It's organic and finely ground, easy to work with. It's fresh and has a lovely flavor, it's not like sawdust, this is premium quality. Number 2. Jovial Einkorn flour. It's the original wheat, easier to digest than modern wheat, making it a great choice for those with sensitivities. However, it's important to note that it shouldn't be consumed by people with celiac disease. This flour is full of essential nutrients like lutein, vitamin E, B vitamins, and minerals. It's also free of common allergens such as milk, eggs, and nuts. It's the only wheat variety that's never been hybridized. It's USDA certified organic and non-GMO project verified, ensuring quality and purity. Enjoy its nutty flavor, silky texture, and beautiful buttery yellow color. It's easier to work with than gluten-free alternatives, yet delivers amazing flavor in baked goods. Our farmers have been growing this einkorn for over a decade, nurturing the soil with care and dedication. It's a testament to their love for preserving biodiversity. What we like. It's an einkorn flour that's high in protein and easier to digest than modern wheat. It's also organic and delicious. If you are sensitive to modern wheat but still want the benefits of wheat flour, this is a great option. What people say. You can see and feel the difference, slightly less white, less powdery. Flavor is excellent. Digests well and has good flavor. This is optimal flour and you can tell the moment you open the bag. It uses less liquid than modern wheat. The bread is the best I've ever made, all without yeast, too. Number 1. King Arthur Organic Flour. It's time to elevate your baking game. This versatile flour is perfect for all your baking needs, from bread to pastries. Made with care, it's unbleached and non-GMO, ensuring a superior baking experience. Enjoy the rich taste and texture. With its ideal protein content, it delivers consistent results, whether you're making delicate cakes or hearty loaves. You'll get perfect results every time. This convenient 32-ounce bag is perfect for home bakers. Always have high-quality flour on hand for your next baking adventure. King Arthur Baking Company, America's oldest flour company, brings you a flour that's as reliable as it is delicious. It's a tradition of quality you can trust. What we like. It's an organic all-purpose flour perfect for various baking needs. Its consistent quality guarantees predictable results every time. If you value high quality, organic ingredients and reliable baking performance, this is your flour. What people say. King Arthur is a quality all-purpose flour which tastes good in my recipes. The functionality of this King Arthur's all-purpose flour works great in recipes that calls for all-purpose flour. King Arthur all-purpose flour is a very popular flour. It works great when using it to make homemade bread in my bread machine. The bread turns out so soft and fluffy. Whether you are making gravy, cookies, or quiche, this is the flour to use. I was amazed at how creamy and delicious the quiche was when I added 2 tablespoons of this flour to the eggs and cream mixture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.